This is where the high-precision parts of machining tools are finished machined. This area is temperature and humidity controlled to maintain the highest level of precision. At the spindle grinding center, the spindles and sleeves for turning centers, machining centers, and boring machines are finished ground to optimum precision. This is the turning center for manufacturing center spindle head assembly area. The clean room for assembling bearings maintains the same level of cleanliness as that of semiconductor manufacturing facilities.